Okay, so now I want to talk about the settings a little bit. You click the smiley face and you can adjust the settings, make the window larger. So with this setup, we'll start from the top to bottom. You want to always use money management on. That is just so that the bot know how much money is in your account, so that you can set the risk. Fixed lot size. Most of these are set by percent, so if it's set by percent, it's going to ignore the fixed lot size. The news event filter, just leave that on true. The custom trading hours, if you leave that to false, turn it to false, it'll trade whenever we have a MA setup, which I'll talk about in a bit. But if you turn it on true, it will respect the times that you have set here. We have 25 start and stop times. It goes by military time, and it also goes by server time, which is the same time that's on MetaTrader. Cool. Um, Risk manager mode. This again, I would just leave on true. This just helps the bot know about the percents. This pips into profits. This is the pips after. This is the pips that's set for our take partials. So after this is on Ethereum, so it's set for 885, but it's really like $8.85 on Ethereum. Um, After that, it'll take 90% partials. So this is for take partials. If you don't want that on, you can just set it at 0, and then you can just leave this as like a TP, or you can set this for 0 as well. And you can set your take partials here. Max daily loss, max daily gain. That's just how much you want to gain in a day, how much you want. I mean, how much you want to lose in a day, how much you want to gain in a day. And then if you turn that to true, it will respect that. But I have it on false because it doesn't really trade that much or lose that much or gain that much in a day. This is your stop loss. This is set for $125. But it's represented as 125,000 pips on MetaTrader 4. This again is to take profit if you didn't want to use the partials. And this, oh, there it goes. This is the risk percent that I was talking about in the other video. If you have your risk set here, like a 1%, the bot will respect this one. But just to be sure, you could set both to 1, but it doesn't really matter. This is for the trailing stop parameters. You can set it for a certain distance, but this is after the minimum profit is engaged. So what I mean is this original setup here. Let me go back to the settings. Just cancel it and open it back up. Explain how this one works. So with this, after it goes $8.85 in profit, it will take partials. And then after we are $9.85 in profit, or a dollar more than this, then it will trail by 50 cents. And then it'll close, of course, if it hits stop. And then the last parameters, this is our MA setup. This is how the bot works. When it sees the MA cross, it takes the trade in the direction that it's set. So if it's a 7 over 200, it would place a buy. 200 over 7, it would place a sell. Yeah, and you can change those parameters just by double clicking, type it in, whatever. And then you can change the type of MA right there. Yep, and that's pretty much it. Again, under common, that's where you can go and change it if you only want it to buy or if you only want it to sell. But Ethereum is set to buy and sell. And then once you're done, you just hit OK. I'm going to hit cancel because I know these settings are good. Yep, and as long as you have the smiley face, you're good to go. The last thing I would say is that this setup still works for the rest of the bots. You just find the pair that it's on, double click the bot, make sure allow trading is on, load up the settings. I don't have the setting here, and then you hit OK, and it's good to go. And as long as the smiley face is on, like in here, you're good to go. So yeah, if you have any questions, definitely hit us up. Hit us up in the chat. Hit us up on Discord. Yeah, let's get this money.